This call is being recorded.
Why is agriculture so... Oh, we're not there yet.
Begin. Wow, man, this... How are you doing? This elevator is pretty whack. Pretty warm in here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. So, what you doing when you get home?
I'm gonna make a sandwich.
Really? A sandwich? That's crazy.
Yep. A chicken sandwich.
Well, just so you know, your sandwich comes from many places because of agriculture. Okay? Not that you should know, but it's a big thing, you know? Just saying.
Really?
Yeah, well, you see, agriculture is like the main source of, national income for like our developing country. And it's a pretty big part. I think that it helps us live. It's a significance to our international trade, actually. That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. Like some trades like sugar, tea, rice, spices, tobacco, and coffee are pretty common.
So what's the benefits and downfalls of GMO corn?
Genetically modified corn? Well, I think there's its downfalls and there's its pros. Some of these hybrid seeds are really good for just more crop,
Right, yeah, right, for sure.
Yeah, and there's some cons, of course. It isn't fully fresh. It's not the natural thing, but you would want more crop than to not have much crop. So, yeah.
Yeah, right, okay. Hey, thanks for clarifying that to me. Oh,
yeah,
looks like, oh, what's up?
No, nothing. See you. Just remember, agriculture.
Oh, looks like I'm on my floor.
That sucks.
Yep. Gotta go. I have a meeting.
Whoa.
Wanna know what it's
about?
What? I don't know.
Dang. I don't know. Sounds like a big topic. Maybe you should talk about food security or economic development from agriculture.
That's a really good idea. Maybe I'll bring that up.
You should.
All right.
Well,
gotta go. The door's starting to close. I don't want to be late to my meeting.
Help your kids eat good.
Goodbye.
Yep.